Hello students, today we are going to talk about bend, squeeze, stretch and twist. Our learning objective for today's are: first, identify and observe things that can bend, squeeze, stretch and twist. Second, observe and predict when a rubber band is stretched. First, I'm going to tell you what is bends, squeezes, stretches, and twists. Let's start from the bends. Bends is to push both ends of something to make it curve. Squeezes, to squeeze or press something to make it flat. Stretches is to pull something to make it longer or wider. Twist is to turn something in a way changes its shape. So these are the materials that I'm going to show you. Balloon. This is the circle balloon, and then this is the tube balloon, long balloon, and rubber, metal ruler, marker, pencils, scissors and paper. Let's try to bend, stretch and twist them, whether they can bend or not. We can stretch or not. So let's start to identify whether they can bend, stretch or not. I will start from the ruler. This is some kind of metal ruler. I'm going to try to bend it. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, so meaning this metal ruler can be bent. How if I stretch it? That's right. No, it cannot. So meaning this metal ruler only can bend but cannot stretch. Next material will be paper. Let's try to bend this paper. Here we go. Yes, so this paper can be bent. How if we stretch? Cannot. This paper cannot stretch. If we stretch it, it will be longer or wider, but this paper is not getting longer or wider, so meaning this paper cannot stretch. Next, I will choose balloon. Let's try to bend it. Okay, so meaning this balloon can be bent. How if I stretch this different balloon? Yeah, look, when I stretch it, it getting longer or wider. So meaning this balloon can be bent and stretched. Have a look the pictures. Look at the shape of the balloon. Do they look the same? Move to the second learning objective. Observe and predict when a rubber band is stretched. I will try to do something with my rubber band. Look at my rubber bands. I'm going to do something with it. I'm going to stretch it by pulling its ends. Have a look. Does the exercise band change its shape? Yes, it's become longer. Okay, now I have some materials here: rubber band, paper, and socks. If you watch this video, let's do it together. Find some, or a rubber band, a paper, or your sock at home, then let's try to stretch them. Let's do it one by one. Start from the rubber band. Here we go. I will stretch this by pulling its ends as long as I can. Look. Okay, so meaning I can stretch the rubber band. Next, let's go to the second material is paper. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, go. I cannot stretch this paper, so meaning this paper cannot stretch. The last one is sock. This is my short sock. Okay, let's try to stretch it. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. I can stretch these socks. Look. So, if have questioned which of these 3 materials can be stretched, just now as you have watched, can stretch rubber band, I can stretch the sock, but I can't stretch this paper. Why? Why do you think this paper cannot? And why do you think rubber band and sock can be stretched? Now my question, do you think after you stop stretch this rubber band, do you think or do they return to their original shape? Let's prove it. I will stretch it again. Then I will stop to stretch. Look, the rubber band returned to the original shape. Why do you think so? What do you call if the things return to the original shape after you stop stretch? After you stop stretch. Okay, very good. So we called them flexible. Flexible can bend easily. That's why the rubber band and sock are flexible. We can stretch them, and when we stop stretch the rubber band and sock, it will be back to the original shape. But how about this paper? This paper is not flexible. We can stretch it. So hopefully this short video can help you everyone and help you understood about bend, squash, stretch, and twist. Now I will give you a challenge about twist. What is that? Have a look your textbook page 51. I want you to try to twist your sister or your mommy's hair like this way. Or if you have another material like wire or rope, you can try it also. After you have done twist, you send me the picture by email or attach. So for the worksheet, I will give you the worksheet this week from your activity book page 39 to page 40. It's about rubber. Kindly find a rubber in your house, then try to stretch, or if you don't have, watch this video again and again so you can find the answer from this short video. Okay, see you in the next video.